Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What you can see here is actually the slot car racing level at Hakuhinkan Toy Park in Ginza. And there's two places I like to recommend as well where you are in Ginza. One is actually the Tamiya factory, the showroom, and the other one is actually the Tokyo Police Museum. So for here is actually Hakunikan Toy Park. I came here with the intention of just finding some diecast car. And there's a wide selection of Hot Wheels as well as Tomica, including Diorama and other brands. But this is actually one of the most entertaining level, and it's actually just slot car racing. So what you can see here are all the variety of the slot cars for sale. It's early in the morning in Ginza, so there's not much customer, and hence it's good because I can take my time to get the video. And there's many other merchandise as well. So I'm also quite surprised to find a full set of Fast and Furious Hot Wheels here, as well as some of the main line that are Tomica that you can't find in other place, but I can find in Hakunikan Toy Park. So if you are in Ginza for shopping, to drop by this toy store, because I think it's actually worth coming to take a look. Enjoy the tour. The next venue is actually at Tamiya factory, and it's actually quite a walk from Hakunikan Toy Park. I actually did some sightseeing as well as shopping before I reach here. And here actually the video I must say is actually quite short, is because I think it's all pretty candid. You can't really take video here. So I managed to get a few clips and share with everyone. And of course in Tamiya, it's no surprise, this is actually the sort of the model, one of the HQ where you have all the galleries. So many things here are for sale: model cars, model kit, RC, and 4WD, mini 4WD, and wide variety, as well as modeling tools and modeling kit. So I can't really say that the price is the best. I think the best price, if you want to get in my context, modeling toolkit is still at Yodobashi. I think Yodobashi tax-free shop is actually, even the price is actually quite competitive. What you can see here in the Tamiya showroom, you can actually find in Yodobashi as well. Apart that Tamiya has some of the exclusive here, I think, and some of the limited selection when it comes to decals and such, you can actually find it here. So in Japan, the model kit are all actually relatively very cheap. Even the toolkit, you don't have the time to go Yodobashi, you come here, it's actually worth buying rather than you buy import modeling kit. Alright then, enjoy the tour. And please remember to subscribe to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I do actually upload video to my channel almost daily. Here I am in Ginza, in the sort of the uptown district of Tokyo. And out of all these luxury goods and like branded stores, departmental stores, they have actually the police museum. I actually came here in 2016 before and it was closed. It's always closed on Monday, so be sure if you visit here, please do not come on Monday. And what you can see here is actually a very nice Mazda RX-8 petrol car. I never see the RX-8 petrol car before. So you can see right now this RX-8 is very impressive. It's not the school holidays, hence there's a lot of kids. They're going to have a lot of kids, but I'm not going to stand in their way for taking photos. But right now this RX-8 is actually very impressive. A very impressive police petrol car. I actually always curious what is that shield about it. That windshield, but what is that purpose for? Maybe it's for debris, maybe it's for anything, I don't know. But looking at this, super nice. I've actually custom a few of these Japanese petrol car because I love Japan petrol car. Hence today finally I get to come to the museum. As a kid, the kids can also be the policemen. They realize the dream of police as well. So alright then, I shall go inside the museum and then later I will what is this? Bending of the gun means there's no gun allowed. Alright then.